how to track your Cash App card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can track our Cash App card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Cash App application in a mobile device and make sure to log in. Once you're logged in and you land in this page, now tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. After that, you will land in your profile page. From here, again scroll all the way down and there you will have an option that says support. Tap on it. So from here, tap on support. Now, under support, there are more options. From there, you have to tap on cash card. After that, scroll all the way down and again under contact us, tap on chat. Now, once you're here, you can chat with the Cash App support, and in the chat section you can type in if your card has been dispatched or not. If yes, then you can ask it how many days will it take you to receive your Cash App card and if you can track your Cash App card. After that, the Cash App representative will help you regarding your issue. So that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.